Hey you guys, so today we're going to be talking all about the new mystery box that Too Faced just dropped right after Thanksgiving break. I mean, I've had one of two boxes, which I'll get to in a second, but I've had one of two boxes for a couple of days now. So they actually sent me two boxes, so that's why it's taken a little bit longer for me to do this unboxing. But if you guys remember, on my community tab for YouTube, I did post about the mystery box, and I know quite a few of you guys actually ended up also getting in on it. So if you guys did, I do definitely want to know if you've gotten your box and what you've received already, if you did get it. So this bag did retail for $42, and let me tell you, it was quite a journey with this box, because when I got the box, I actually got them in two shipments, you guys, and I really honestly thought that the one box that I had already opened was my entire box that I paid $42. I got to show you a clip of this because I about lost my mind. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this clip. Where's the rest of it? No way. That is not all I got. Did I seriously just pay $42 for that? Is it? No, there's no way. All right, so it took me a little bit to figure it out, but I finally realized that there was two boxes to this, you guys. It's just the way that they had sent out my emails was not at all like shipment one of two, like here's this one, here's this one. Both had the same exact tracking information, but like in small print at the bottom, it said like your package may contain two boxes. I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that I got in my mystery box, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and jump into it, and we're gonna see if this box is definitely worth the $42 that I paid for. Let's not mind my hair, you guys, because it is definitely not what it looked like this morning. I had my hair in braids yesterday, and so I thought it'd be really cute this morning. I pulled them out and I was like, oh, this is really cute. Like, it looks nice and flowy, you know, like what you see in pictures. And I put some texture spray in it and kind of just like thumped it like that, you know, like, I don't know what you call this, scrunched it. Is that what you call it? Yeah. So I like scrunched it and stuff, and it was cute this morning, and then like halfway through work, I was like, this is disgusting. And now I'm like, I tried, so trying to like brush it down, mat it down so it doesn't look as bad, and it's like the texture spray. This is 5th day hair, by the way, so you guys know what it's like, right? Like, it's 5th day hair, you've got this texture, grittiness to your hair, and it's just, I'm ready to take a shower. Let me start with this box because this is the one that's already opened, and this is the one that I had originally opened from my first video that I tried unboxing. So this is what I got in the first box. The first thing that came with it was the Too Faced Damn Girl Shamelessly Thick and Curled, it says lashes, and it's to promote the mascara that comes along with it. So it came with these hairpins, which I honestly, like, when I first saw it, I was like, oh, they're cute, but there's no way I would ever wear this to work. Nor, I mean, like, the only time I'm going to wear these is when I'm probably filming with you guys. Like, I may wear these, like, you know, to pull my hair back. But, I mean, like, I have, like, a communal little basket of stuff that my daughter and I both rotate for. There's no way in hell I can throw this in there, because I know for a fact that she's going to show up at school, knowing me, I'm going to not even notice, and she's going to be walking around with a damn girl hairpin. So I will use this, but only probably while I film. Now, I was pretty excited about this, which is a full-size version of the Damn Girl 24-Hour Mascara. I have received a sample size of this, you know, like one of those little tiny ones, and I loved it. I thought it was phenomenal. It worked really well. If you don't like drier formulas, I don't know that you would like this. It's definitely going to volumize and thicken the lashes, but at the same time, if you put too much, it can clump them up. I really loved this mascara, but really more so for my bottom lashes, because I have not as many bottom lashes as I do top lashes, so I felt like it really made them look a little bit thicker than they actually were, made them like, you know, made it look like I had more lashes than I actually really had. And this was a really good combination mascara, so I'd go in with something that would like separate, but then use this. Overall, what I'm trying to say is I really liked it. It was definitely right up my alley, but I can see it being like a 50-50. It definitely depends on what you like as far as your formula goes. So if you do like a little bit of a drier formula, kind of like the Exhibitionist mascara, that kind of a formula, but just a little bit drier, I think you would like this. So that is the first two items that I got in my box. Now, this is the box that just came in. This is the second part of my box. Hallelujah. The very first thing I see in here are two little samples. I did get two samples. It is the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealers. I did end up picking up Warm Beige. It says that I have mocha in here, but I don't remember getting mocha. I remember getting light beige. Those are the two that I like. I love the formula. You guys know that. I've raved about it here on my channel. The Too Faced Born This Way concealer is my favorite, by far my favorite concealer ever, because it just works so well as like a concealer plus as like a foundation. So it's definitely one of those concealers that I typically always tend to gravitate for. I actually have it underneath my eyes today. So the next thing I have here is the Too Faced Love Light Prismatic Highlight. Don't think I have this. Look at how pretty that is. I have seen these. I've just never got around to picking and trying one up. Look at that. I gotta swatch this. This is really pretty. And there you have it. Gorgeous. Next up I have is this, which is the Pretty Rich Dazzling High Sparkling Shine Lip Gloss. This one's pretty tiny. This looks like a travel size or something. This is in the shade Sunset Crush. It's got like a pinkish gold reflection to it. I don't think I'm gonna open this because I want to say I have something very, very similar to this. It's pretty, it's just, you know, I have so many glittery like lip toppers. How many could you possibly need, honestly? And I definitely know somebody that could probably fall in love with this, but so far, liking the box. All right, so last thing I got in here, which I think is pretty awesome, you guys, is the Pretty Rich palette by Too Faced. Now, I actually own this palette. I actually kept it in my declutter, so let me find it really quick. So in my declutter, I actually mentioned that I loved this palette and I couldn't get rid of it. I did talk about this palette in my declutter. Ooh. You can get some like neutral to cooler tones in this palette. The only thing I don't like about this palette is this shade right here, this cranberry shade. This shade I just find tends to kind of be lackluster for me, but overall it's a really great palette. The design, the look of it, everything is so sleek, and I think it's like perfect for a gift. But aside from that shade, I have really great outcomes when I use this palette, and I've actually done a tutorial. I think I did like a throwback tutorial. If I can find it, I'll link it, but I actually played around with this palette. I am not mad about this box. Yes, there are, you know, obviously I've gotten the palette already. Would it have been nice to get a different palette from Too Faced? Yes, but I still think the value overall was really good. I paid $42 for this box, a complete mystery box. Had it just been the mascara and the clip, I would have been pissed. But I am very happy. The highlighter, I know I'm definitely going to use. The mascara, I know I'm going to use. The lip gloss, I think I'm going to pass it along. And the eyeshadow palette, while I don't need it, I still think I got my overall value. I may pass it along, may, you know, throw it into a giveaway box, and I still think it was definitely worth the box. I hope that you guys were able to get your hands on one of these, and if you did, I definitely would like to know what you guys got. If you guys ever see a mystery box or anything like that ever pop up, you guys want to see it here on my channel, you just got to let me know. You can tag me on Instagram, tag me on Twitter. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have not seen my newest videos, I did just post my BoxyCharm throwdown here on Monday. I am hosting a small giveaway there on my channel on that video, so make sure to check that video out if you haven't. Then I also did post a massive, what do you call it, eyeshadow palette declutter. So if you haven't seen that also, I definitely would recommend checking that out. Those you might need a snack for, maybe a little coffee, a little wine, tea, whatever it is your preference, but just grab something. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video, and I hope you guys will hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll see you later. Bye.